Hi, my name is Connor and I'm going to walk you through how to apply for legal aid with the Legal Aid Board. Visit www.legalaidboard.ie and select Find Out More in our Legal Aid Service section on our homepage. Select Apply Now and explore our process. You can complete the application form online, download to post it, or request a copy from your nearest law centre. The first section is personal information. This is your name, your telephone number, your email address, your date of birth. The next section is why am I applying for legal services? This is a general breakdown. It's divided into two areas, family law or non-family law. If you're looking for a divorce, that's obviously going to be under family law. The next part is another person or organisation involved? It's the name of your partner, so we need their name, their address, and to set out what their relationship to you is. There's a section here for if you have a court date. If you do, put down the date that you're next due in court. Otherwise, you can put no here. The next section is have you applied for legal services before, and give details as to whether or not that was with the Legal Aid Board or a private solicitor. The next section is section 2, which is statement of income. The first two questions are, is social welfare your only source of income, and are your assets worth less than 4,000 in total? So we click yes or no here. Then details of your income. If you're in receipt of a pay slip, you can attach your pay slip here. If you're in receipt of social welfare, you can attach a social welfare receipt here. They'll have much of the information that we'll need. The next section is other sources of income. This is where you say if you're receiving maintenance from your partner or if you're a landlord receiving rent from a tenant. The next section is cost of your accommodation. So you put down if you are renting yourself, if you are paying a mortgage. The next section is details of your assets. So you have to declare any assets. Asset is any item that you own that could be sold on if it had to be. So a common example would be a car. You'd provide the make and model of the car, the estimated value. The next section is to do with your bank accounts. So you put down any accounts you own, credit union accounts, online accounts. The last would be any other assets you own. So large assets, maybe paintings or musical instruments, anything that's large and could be sold on. The next section is to deal with any loans outstanding, so any money that you owe, whether it to be a bank, a credit union, or family member. You will need to provide proof of income along with supporting documentation such as photo identification and proof of address. Your application will be assessed under a means test to determine if you qualify and what contribution, if any, is required. For more information, visit www.legalaidboard.ie or contact your nearest law centre. Thank you.